Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra without the password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that when we get to the setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember the password, but there is a second option, and it's signing in into the exact same Google account into which we are signed in before the reset. So we'll have to do it in the setup process to get forward. Otherwise, the phone will be still locked in the setup process, and without signing into Google, we won't be able to do anything more. So that is why we need to remember into which Google account we are signed in. Okay, if you want to continue, follow my steps. Also, to enter recovery mode, we need to have an USB-C cable that is connected into our PC, laptop, Mac. Everything will work. And now we need to connect our phone using the cable, just like that. And now we cannot power off our device when we hold power key and volume down, because it still tells us that we need to type the password. That is why we need to perform a forced restart, and during the forced restart we need to quickly switch the combination to get into into recovery mode. So first hold power key and volume down to force restart the device. When the screen turns off, we need to release buttons, and we need to start holding power key and volume up until we see the Samsung logo. Sometimes we may have to click, there's a chance that we need to release power key and volume up because the Samsung logo don't appear. Then simply repeat. Start holding power key and volume up again. I think that's the situation, so let's release the buttons. Let's start holding again until we see the Samsung logo. Let's try again. Just like I'm saying, sometimes requires a few tries. And when Samsung logo appears, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up, just like I did. Okay, now using volume keys, select wipe data/factory reset. And even on the screen right now, we can see the information that I was talking about before. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So if you want to stop, you should do this right now if you don't remember it. But if you want to continue, confirm by clicking the power key. Now select factory data reset, confirm. Okay, when it says data wipe complete, we can unplug the cable, select reboot system now, and confirm by clicking the power button. Now we just need to simply wait until the setup process appears on our screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.